Hey guys, Jim from IAG. Today, we're going to be installing a set of V1 and V2 Easy Step add-ons to our four-door Bronco. This product is designed to work with your factory Ford rock rails and is the easiest way to get a leg up on entering and exiting your vehicle. Installation takes less than 15 minutes and can be performed with simple hand tools. So with that being said, let's jump right in. Each kit will include two steps, one for each side of the vehicle, mounting hardware, and your choice of colorized logo plate. Additional color plates can be purchased at checkout if you choose to do so. Purchasing one kit will be adequate for you two-door guys and girls, but two kits will be needed in four-door applications, one for the front doors and one for the rear. Tools needed to do the job: 5/32 Allen wrench, 2.5mm Allen wrench, 7mm and 1/2-inch wrenches. We'll be installing a V1 in the front and a V2 in the rear. Both come equipped with the same quality materials, construction, and mounting, but the V2 offers an 1.5 inch lower step height to assist with raised vehicles or smaller children. Start by installing the studs and jam nuts onto the steps. Make sure the studs do not protrude out of the inner side of the bracket, for this may interfere with the rock slider when installing. Starting on the front door, install the top edge of the step first, then lower it. This will hook the step around the rock rail. As you can see from this angle, the position of the step can be adjusted forward or back between the mounting plates on the rail. Loosen the jam nut. Begin to tighten the stud with your 5/32 Allen wrench while simultaneously pulling down on the step. Once the stud is snug against the rail, tighten the jam nut with your 1/2-inch wrench. Now move to the other mounting stud and repeat the same procedure. The rear step installs just like the front. Start with the top edge, then lower the step so that it hooks around the rail. This time, notice that the step straddles the OEM mounting bracket, allowing final location to be adjusted. Loosen the jam nut and tighten the stud, remembering to pull down on the step. Once the step is secure, tighten the jam nut. Now repeat this procedure for the other side. With all of the steps on, install the logo plate from underneath. Be sure to install the threaded end of your hardware facing the ground, like this. After all of the hardware has been installed hand tight, secure the plate using your 2.5mm Allen and 7mm wrench. Before we can call the job done, test the location of all of the new steps to ensure no further adjustment is necessary. That completes the install of our Easy Step add-ons for our four-door Bronco. For more informational videos just like this one, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the trails.